There's an unfortunate assumption in how requirements are gathered for most software projects. Most people believe you need to go out and either ask the users or ask the sponsor, what do they want this software to do? You write it down, people go do it, and they build the software, and at the very end, somebody says, I'm sorry, that's not what we needed. And that's a failed project at that point. Our high-tech anthropologists are in charge of understanding what the software needs to do. They do it through observation. They go out into the world. They study the users for whom we're building the software in their native environment. Can't emphasize that enough. You have to do high-tech anthropology outside the building. You have to find them where they are. We were doing a project for a handheld diesel motor diagnostic tool. We went and studied people in their native environment who did that kind of work, working on, for instance, buses. We watched a guy named Bubba working on the back of a bus here in Ann Arbor. The first thing Bubba did was he slipped on a pair of rubber gloves to do his work. Our anthropologist simply noted that down and said, Bubba wears rubber gloves when he works. Asked him about it later. He confirmed, yep, I wear them every day, been wearing them for years. Well, our client wanted this to be a touchscreen application with an electrostatic touchscreen. It wouldn't work with rubber gloves. We discovered that by going out into the world. If we had invited Bubba into a conference room, he wouldn't have brought the rubber gloves with him, and we would have never noticed them missing. And he wouldn't have brought it up because he would have just assumed we would understand that he wears rubber gloves.